Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 3rd subject Moral Science. Today we are going to learn new lesson, chapter 4, Two Neighbors. It is very nice story. All of you listen to me carefully. Once there lived two neighbors. One was a greedy man and the other was a jealous man. The story about the greedy man and the jealous man. The greedy man wanted to possess everything that he saw. He wanted to possess everything. He seeing everything. He wanted that. He wanted to become very rich. He wanted to become very rich, but he was not ready to work. Without work, he wanted to become rich. He was never satisfied with anything he had. He had everything, but he is not satisfied with anything. He wanted to get more and more. The more he got, the more greedy he grew. What all this he is getting, he is not satisfied with that. Again want. That way he is thinking. The jealous man was not happy with his neighbor. The jealous man was also not too happy with his neighbor. Is the greedy man bought something new, he became jealous of him. He bought anything new, he is not satisfied with him. He is very unhappy. He did not like his neighbor becoming rich. He did not like he is become rich. When the greedy man bought a cow, when he bought a cow, the jealous man wished him bad luck. When his jealous man wished him bad luck, he brought a cow, anything in his in his house. That time he will wish him bad luck. Likewise, when his neighbor bought new carts or a horse, when his neighbor bought a new carts or a horse, the jealous man became restless and unhappy. The jealous man become very unhappy. He will brought some carts or a horse. On the other hand, if his neighbor suffered a loss, he become happy. Then he got any loss in his life, then he was become very happy. They both lived as neighbors for a long time. These both neighbors lived a long time. One day, the greedy man told himself. What told himself? I want to become the richest man in the world. I want to become richest man in the world. But I don't want to work. But he said to himself, I don't want to work. Without work, I want to become rich. For days, weeks, and months, he thought about it and finally found a way. The weeks, months, and he thought finally he found a way. I will go to the jungle. He thought to himself and saying, I will go to jungle. There I will pray to God and I will do penance also. Then God will please with me and will grant me some boon. With God's boon, I become rich. With God's boon, I will become rich. One day, without telling anybody, the greedy man went to the forest. Without telling anybody, he went to forest. There he started his prayers and he did the penance also. He started their prayers and penance also he did. Meanwhile, the jealous man came to know about the plan of his neighbor. This jealous man also come to know the plan of his greedy man. Greedy man's plan, jealous man also come to know. Then he also thought to go to jungle and pray to God and please the God. That way he also going for went for jungle and pray. Meanwhile, the jealous man came to know about the plan of his neighbor. He knew that the greedy man was in the jungle praying to God for a boon to make him rich. He became very sad. He became very sad. This thought he is become very sad, because if the greedy man got the boon from God, he would become the richest person in the village. Then God will please him and give him some boon to him. He will become very rich. This he cannot bear. Then it should not be happen. That way he thought, and he also went for jungle and pray. I will not allow this to happen, he said to himself. Then what he told himself, this will not happen, will not happen. The next day he also went into the jungle, because he want to prevent the greedy man from becoming the richest man. He want to prevent this greedy man's wishes, and that only he also went for a pray to God. The jealous man also started praying and doing penance. The jealous man also doing the same way, praying and doing penance also. If God appears to me, he thought to himself, if God appears to me, he thought to himself, he will ask him not to grant the greedy man what he was asking for. I will say to God what he is telling, that don't grant his wishes. That I will say to God. He is telling to himself. Thus, both the neighbors prayed so intensely that the Lord appeared to both of them. Anyway, God appeared to both of them. And the Lord said, I am pleased with your prayers and penance. God told them, I am pleased with your prayers and penance. Now ask me what you want. Now you ask me what you want. I will grant it to you both. I will grant it to you. Both of you I will give what you, your wishes I will grant you. But there is no one condition. One condition God also kept there. The one who asks first will get what he asks for. The one who asks first will get what he asks for, but the other will get double of that. Now any of you can ask. God told both of them. If first will ask, it double will get the other person. Okay. Now any of you can ask the boon. This God said to them. Okay, children, this is today. I am going to stop this much today, enough. Then next day we will rest lesson. I will take next Monday. Okay. Now all of you read the lesson and understand what the story is telling. We never greedy and jealousy. God don't like this jealous and greedy. Okay, that way its prayers and God will not grant. This you have to read and understand it. I thought all of you understood this lesson. Okay, thank you, children.